Its origins are not quite clear, but it's felt that it dates from pre-Christian times, from ancient Rome, that this was a fertility festival, 13th, 14th and 15th of February, called Lupercalia. But later on there are two martyrdoms in Christianity, both with the name of Valentine. In 289, Valentine of Rome was martyred, and he used to carry out secret marriages against the wishes of the emperor of the time. And it was later in 496 that the then Pope Gelasius, he declared that this was 14th of February was Saint Valentine's Day, a Christian feast day. So historians feel that he perhaps merged it with the pagan festival so that it would be appeasing to them as well. It's become very much more commercialized, as you know, in the mid-80s, and the figures are staggering as to what is spent. In 2009, Valentine itself generated sort of $14.7 billion, 9.2 billion pounds in retail sales, and this is in US alone. So it's become a very much commercial sort of activity, but it seems to have links, although with the pre-Christian time, but with the Pope in Rome in 496 having declared it as a Christian feast. That is perhaps why Muslims obviously should stay clear from that, and a token of love, as you have said, should always be given to your loved ones and not only on a particular day as such. So this is the history of what Valentine's Day perhaps is.
So far as you know, the spirit, this central idea of this is to express one's love and feelings of affection for other people. Nothing wrong with that one, but I think rightly that to celebrate a day which is a Christian background and followed by the Western nations, that is not correct. Just like we don't celebrate Christmas, but we have all the regard for Jesus Christ and we respect him very